Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to make butter at home in under 5 minutes. What you're going to need is heavy cream, a stand mixer, a whisk attachment, and a paddle attachment. You're going to start off with 250 milliliters of heavy cream. I also added 125 milliliters of kefir probiotic fermented milk. I did this to see if I could add some probiotic live cultures to my butter. Hopefully it is in there. If not, you can make this with just heavy cream. Once all of that is added to the bowl, you'll just turn on your mixer on high and whip it. You're gonna whip it until it becomes firm, kind of the consistency of whipping cream. Once you got that, you're going to switch over to your paddle attachment and start whipping again. This time you're going to beat it for about 5 minutes. You'll know when it's ready when it starts to look like this. It's kind of gonna look like scrambled eggs with a milky bottom. At the bottom of it, that's gonna be your buttermilk, and the butter itself is gonna start separating from that the more that you beat this. So it will start to come together really quick after this point. You're gonna wanna get an ice bath ready for your butter. Just throw some ice cubes into a bowl with cold water, and once your butter has come together, kind of like how you see it is here, you're going to pull it out and knead it in the cold ice bath. This is gonna pull out all the remaining buttermilk. You only need to do this for about a minute. And there you have it, homemade butter. I did put mine in a little silicone mold that was shaped like an egg, so it kind of has the egg imprint on it. And it's ready to be used. You can add salt if you'd like. And you don't want to forget about that buttermilk that we made. This can be used in biscuits, used to be in frying chicken. Just don't throw away. Throw it in a jar and keep it in the fridge. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.